So you're looking for a home under $500,000 in Ennis, Texas? Well, I have it for you. But first, welcome to Ennis, Texas, a charming town with a rich history and a tight-knit community. If you're looking for a place to call home that won't break the bank, you've come to the right place. Ennis offers plenty of options for affordable living, and in this video, we're actually going to take a closer look at a home priced under $500,000. But don't let that affordable price tag fool you. These homes are packed with features that will make you fall in love at first sight. From spacious living areas to the beautiful outdoor spaces, you'll be amazed at the value you can find here in Ennis, Texas. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a tour of one of the best homes on the market. And by the end of this video, you'll be ready to pack your bags and call Ennis home. So let's do it. Now, I hope you enjoyed this tour of this great home inside of Ennis. If you're ready to make the move to this wonderful community, or if you have any questions about the home we showcased today, please don't hesitate to give us a call or drop us a comment below using the house icon. Our team is here to help you find the perfect home in Ennis or surrounding areas. And we can't wait to hear from you. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.